Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel ChemWis. In this video we are going to discuss Carroll rearrangement. In this reaction, a beta-keto allyl ester is heated in the presence of a base followed by acidic workup to produce gamma delta unsaturated ketone. Mechanism of Carroll rearrangement. Beta-keto allyl ester has acidic active methylene group. Base abstracts one of the two active methylene hydrogens to produce this enolate that resembles 1,5-diene system and can undergo 3,3 sigmatropic shift. For better understanding, let's draw the enolate like this. Here we can see that it will undergo 3,3 sigmatropic shift to produce gamma delta unsaturated beta-keto carboxylate. Under heating, it immediately removes carbon dioxide to produce unsaturated enolate. Under acidic condition, the enolate takes proton to produce gamma delta unsaturated ketone. Example of Carroll rearrangement. Linalool, when allowed to react with methyl acetoacetate in the presence of catalytic amount of aluminum isopropoxide at 170 degrees centigrade, produces geranyl acetone. Let's see how that happens. Methyl acetoacetate has acidic active methylene protons. Isopropoxide ion removes one of the two protons to produce ketene. Linalool hydroxyl group adds to the ketene to produce beta-keto allyl ester. Enolization gives this enolate that has 1,5-diene system and undergoes 3,3 sigmatropic shift to produce this keto carboxylate. Removal of carbon dioxide Removal of carbon dioxide gives this enolate, which after protonation gives geranyl acetone. That's all in this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon if you like this video. Thank you very much for watching this.